Umentri rangba jela konrad ke sang mahaksi pale ulethu baka sarkar jela kala pynlut kumba shispa klur tingka nakabenta bantung yaki kendai lap tynrai tylli ki tynrai dieng hakini ki snem kata nadu snem arhajar arpo Haduh arhajar arpusa yakani umentri rangba ula pentep haba jubab halor ke jingkeli ba wanra da UMLA kamauring keneng ba HS Karpran hakador bar tynrai henne kasngi Nolor kata umentri rangba ulethu bana kini kibla thung baro kidan Haduh kumba nyopulai lap tylli ki tynrai dieng kiba em.
So reply to star question 64A. So there are a total of 99 lakhs 78,352 number of saplings planted in the state from 2020 till June 2024. B, so the total number of saplings which have survived out of A above is 73 lakhs 76,735, sir.
Karpran, your supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I should thank the Honorable Chief Minister for giving the reply. I know from the Honorable Chief Minister the total amount spent for planting of these saplings and also the total area afforested in terms of hectares.
Sir, in terms of total cost, the exact number is exact number is not available with me right now, but we have spent approximately 100 crores in the last 5 years, sir. And roughly, sir, if you look at the overall plantation that has been done, then it is an average, so if you go with a thumb rule of about 1.19 lakhs per hectare is there, that is required. So let's just do the maths a bit. But roughly, so I'll have to exactly get the number. But as I said, about 100 crores has been spent in the last 5 years, sir.
So when we see the numbers, 99,78,352 a number of saplings planted in the last 4 years. The success rate is about 73.93%, while the mortality rate, means sapling died, is 26 lakhs 1,617. That means the mortality rate is 26.07%. So what are the reasons for the mortality? And also what are the preventive measures to reduce such mortality?
So there are multiple reasons for the mortality of the plants. Of course, sir, 75% plus minus is not a bad survival rate, given the difficult conditions that they are planted in. But yes, of course, our desire would be to see that 100% survive. But just to give an idea, sir, the reasons could be anything from sometimes particular seed quality is not up to the mark, sometimes where particular seed, not the whole bunch, but a particular seed could be affected or infected. That could be some of the reasons. In some areas, sir, the landscape and the slopes that are there, in certain areas, the soil conditions that are there, which may not be completely fertile, and therefore, though our efforts are made to ensure that we support it, it could still lead to some shortcomings. At the same time, sir, there could be anthropogenic activities which could be leading to forest fires and other activities. So these are things that can happen, sir. So grazing also is there, which is another factor that leads to these kind of mortality. But see, overall, sir, of course, we are making efforts that wherever we are planting these kind of trees and plantations, we are ensuring that we try and bring in the community into the activities. And once the community is involved, then the success rate is always higher, sir. So those mechanisms are being explored, and in the future, as I said, more and more involvement of community in some way where we are able to incentivize the entire process is also being considered, and we're hopeful, so that we will be able to increase this particular survival rate from 75% to maybe further to hope that we'll be reaching about even 100%, sir.